Welcome all. We are super excited to be here. This is this screencast. We are going to go through the process of minting a convergence token on Polygon. So I'm here with my partner here, Keen. Hey, Keen.
Hello. What's up, everyone?
I'm Nick, and we're gonna take you through this process. So we want to take you through the entire process. So all the way from setting up your first digital wallet using Metamask, to funding that digital wallet using MoonPay, all the way to actually minting the convergence token on Nifty Underground. So the first step, we're in a fresh version of Chrome right here. We do not have anything for Web3 set up yet. The first step that you want to do is you want to get Metamask installed. So we're going to go over to, I think it's just metamask.io.
Just Google it.
There you go.
You know what to do. Chrome.
Yep, install Metamask to Chrome. Add to Chrome. Add extension. A Metamask is just basically an extension for your browser that gives you the capability to have a public and private key pair for Ethereum-based networks. So what this is going to do is it's going to take you through the setup process for setting up basically a private key. And this private key is really important. It's going to protect all of the assets that you put inside of your wallet. So you do not want to share this with anyone. So you can go ahead and click Get Started. And we're creating a new wallet. So we're going to say Create a Wallet. And this is going to give you basically that same disclaimer that I just said, which is, you know, be careful. This is no one's going to ever ask you for your private key, and never share it with anyone, because then that means they basically have your wallet. So you're going to go ahead and click I agree. And this is going to create a password just to access your digital wallet. So this is not your private key, but it's just another layer of protection for you to be able to access MetaMask from your browser.
Create.
Nice. So it's going to show you a little video. We don't necessarily need to watch this right now. It's basically going to say, don't share your private key.
Okay, don't share the key. Next.
Okay, now this page is important because this is going to show you your secret recovery phrase, which basically is your private key. It's going to be 12 words that represent your private key. So don't click that just yet. I'm going to pause this video. We're going to get the private key information. Ian's going to set this up. And then we're going to come back at you once we got that all set up. So one important aspect of this is definitely write these down, preferably on a piece of actual physical paper, and save them. Don't lose this, because this information will enable you to basically take your wallet anywhere. So you can import it to other places, and you can restore it if you, say, for example, this computer crashes, and you can still get it. All right, awesome. Once we are complete with recording our secret passphrase and then inputting it back in for confirmation, you're going to be presented with this screen, which means you are good to go. So if you click all done,
let's go.
Boom.
Boom. Got my wallet.
Congrats, Ian. You got a digital wallet set up.
My first ever digital wallet.
Boom, baby. So now we are on the Ethereum mainnet, which is not what we're using for this project. The Ethereum main network is a expensive network. It's the main Ethereum network. It's actually where we went live with the Convergence series originally, but based on feedback, we saw that it made sense for us to go to Polygon, which is basically a faster and cheaper network. We're hoping that we can attract more folks to it. So in order to actually use Polygon, though, we need to have Polygon connected to our wallet. And then let's go to a new tab, and let's just Google chain list. Yeah, and click that first link right there. And then in the search networks, we're going to put Polygon. And then we're going to say connect wallet on the Polygon mainnet.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice. So here, you log into your wallet,
Okay.
go next.
Yep. Go ahead and click connect.
Yeah.
So if you drop down the MetaMask, your MetaMask wallet, I think you may have just connected. Yeah, so you just connected your wallet to Chainless, which is okay. But now we need to go back and now click that add to MetaMask button.
Cool. Simple enough.
There we go. So now
approve it.
Yep, but could switch network. Okay, so now
here we go. It's already updated.
Boom. So now it should see that you're on the right network. If you drop that down, we're now on Polygon. So now we can connect our wallet to Nifty Underground. So we can click Connect Wallet, MetaMask. There we go. Connect. Boom. Now, the next step here is we actually need cryptocurrency to be able to do anything. So Convergence is using wrapped ETH, which is basically Ether, but on the Polygon network. So we need to get wrapped ETH. Now, there are a bunch of different ways to do this. So if you're already using Ethereum, you probably know that there are ways to bridge Ethereum over to Polygon, and then you can wrap it on Polygon. We're going to try to use a simpler method. We're going to use something called MoonPay, which will allow us to purchase wrapped ETH directly into our wallet. So we're going to go ahead and go over to, and you know what too, we should mention that this is documented from our homepage there. So if we go to the first tab there, for more information about ETH on Polygon, we do have a mint guide here. So this mint guide is really what we're following in this screencast, right? This is a little notion that we put together that outlines some of the steps here.
Nice.
So if we click that how to get wrapped ETH on that page, it should take us to MoonPay.
How do I get wrapped ETH? Yeah, MoonPay. So let's click on moonpay.com.
Okay, so now this process, we're going to have to go through the process of creating an account with MoonPay. And this is going to entail, you know, entering your credit card information and getting your, you know, basically buying cryptocurrency.
So should I click buy crypto?
Let's do it. Let's buy some crypto.
Let's buy some crypto. So 250. We want 300 USD to GBP. I'll get like 225.
It's the other way around.
What?
I was doing it inverse in my head. Oh no, yeah, no wait, you got to do it the other way, right? Because
no, like we want to do 300 USD, right? So I'm just getting the equivalent of GBP.
Yep, yeah, you're right. I'm an idiot.
So I'll give it a little bit of slack. So 225, let's call it.
Yeah, that's probably fine.
£225 and continue. Yeah, it just shows that we have a very international team.
Exactly. All right, so it's going to have you connect your wallet.
Okay, my wallet address is here.
Okay, it's going
to read the warning message, and then cool, continue.
You want to make sure this is an email address you have access to, right? Oh
no. I thought they were going to create at moonpay.com for me.
Oh, no. This is going to be your email address. They're going to send you like a verification code and all that jazz. And then, I mean, this process, I think we can probably pause the video here because this is going to take you through basically create an account with them, and MoonPay is going to ask you for personal information like your address and stuff like that.
So we're going to go through with setting up the MoonPay account and come back again.
Cool.
Let's pause.
All right. So once you go through the transaction, you should see something like this that it should deliver the crypto right to our wallet. And Keen, click on that. Click to view on Blockchain Explorer. Let's see what that brings us to. Oh, nice. Look at that. So it delivered. How much wrapped ETH did it deliver?
Tokens transferred. There, you can see.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Is that 0.09?
For 0.09, yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. Excellent. So now if you drop down in Metamask there. And they dumped a little Matic. Good, because we're going to need that little bit of Matic. So if you now what we need to do is we need to actually add wrapped. We don't technically need to do this to use Nifty Underground, but you probably want to see how much wrapped ETH you actually have, right? So to do that, you're going to click wrapped ETH in the Polyscan screen. Keep going over. Keep going over. There you go. Yeah. Click that. That's going to take you to the contract for wrapped ETH. That contract address right there, you just want to copy that.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
Okay. Click copy address. Done.
Nice. Now drop down in your MetaMask and click import tokens. You're going to paste that address. Everything else will be filled out automatically, and you can say add custom token.
Import tokens.
Tokens. You should have your balance. There you go. So
I got my money.
You got your money, and it's on web. It's on Polygon. Nice.
Oh, that was so easy.
Are you being sarcastic?
What do you mean? I'm from the UK.
So now if you hit back up there where it says account 1 in MetaMask, you should see a holistic view of your wallet now. So you have 0.1 Matic and you have 0.09 wrapped ETH.
Oh, yes.
So now we are at a point where we have a digital wallet set up and we actually have cryptocurrency. So now we can actually mint a convergence token. So the next step of this is to approve your wrapped ETH. So you need to approve the ETH that you have to be able to be spent within the convergence contract. So
should I click it?
Yep.
Let's go. Whoa, it's working.
It's going to go ahead and approve your the wrapped ETH. You can click confirm there. Now this is going to send out a transaction to the network. Once it's confirmed, this button's going to change and show you that you're good to mint. It's going to ask you how many you want to mint. So let's go ahead and let's drop down your MetaMask again there. See if you have, okay, that approved. And you can see a little bit of Matic went down, which is good.
Okay.
Click refresh, because it looks like it tried to refresh.
Like this refresh?
Yeah.
Oh, voila.
Okay, now we are where we want to be. Nice. Now you're in like a regular minting interface at this point. Now we can go ahead and choose one, click mint. This is going to go ahead and throw a transaction out there to mint.
Oh, nice. Confirm. Right.
Yep. Confirm. Now that's only going to show you the Matic that you're spending, because Matic is the currency of the network. But it is going to be spending your wrapped ETH. So it's going to, for each token, it's going to be 0.01, or 0.08 taken from your wrapped ETH. Now you can just go ahead and click confirm at the bottom there. Awesome. So this is going to throw out another transaction to actually mint, and then once you're done minting, we should see it here. So you want to, if you get taken to this page and you see this, you can just go ahead and click refresh. Now we are working on our gallery pages. We're kind of making our galleries a little bit nicer looking than they are now. All right, awesome. So once the mint process completes, you're going to be taken directly to the gallery page, which will render your NFT. So here it is. You got a capsule. You got the number 13 capsule. Ian, nice.
Oh, that's the one I wanted.
Is-
Lucky me.
Nice, nice. And you can go ahead and you should be able to just press play right there, and you can see it. This is a music NFT with awesome visuals. So nice.
I can hear it in my headphones.
Nice. Awesome.
You guys are gonna have to get your own to hear it.
There you go. Nice, nice. And this will automatically be listed on OpenSea as well. So OpenSea will pull it down. It may take a minute or so, a couple of hours to get all the metadata into OpenSea after you mint. But yeah, it's on OpenSea, so you can go ahead and you can trade them, you can sell them, and do whatever you want to do with them. And yeah, that's the process. I mean, right now it's not the smoothest process in the world, but it's the process right now for getting connected to Polygon. Of course, if you have native Ether, this process is a little different. You'd bridge your Ether over to Matic, but we're not going into that in this video, and we're going to kind of assume that if you're at that stage, you probably know how to do that.
You can figure it out yourself.
Right. But all right, Heen, awesome.
Thanks, Nate.
All right, I'm going to stop.